Hey CAT aspirants, let's crack the section that looks easy but decides the toppers. VARC, the Verbal Ability and Reading Comprehension, with 40 questions in just 24 minutes. The strategy is everything. So starting off with the first phase that goes for first 30 days, which should include strengthening the reading muscles. Go through the recent CAT papers 2023 and 2024. They have been RC heavy, about 18 out of 24 questions. So start off with building daily reading stamina. Now what is the action plan? Reset 3 articles daily. Summarize every passage in 2 to 3 lines. Practice 1 RC test daily without any lack. Next is work on basic grammar plus the sentence correction. Now the pro tip for you is do not focus on the speed yet. Rather focus on understanding and comprehending the passage and identifying the author's tone. Now stepping on to the phase 2, that is drill verbal ability skills. Now we have moved on to the non-RC part, which usually includes 8 questions. Para jumbles, para summaries, or the odd one outs. Now what is the action plan? Practice 15 to 20 verbal ability questions on a daily basis. Learn to identify the connectors, however, moreover, hence, etc. Maintain a wrong question log. Whatever questions you're doing wrong on daily basis, make sure that you keep a track of it. Now the pro tip is, in 2023 and 2024 CAT, the para jumbles were time killers. If get stuck, skip. Now the phase 3, the last 30 days, test under pressure. Now this is the execution phase. You take 2 full VARC sectionals per week, 1 full mock every 4 days. Analyze the accuracy in RC versus the VA. Time spent per passage. The key strategy is you do not need 99% accuracy. Your target should be that 3 out of the 4 RCs should be attempted well and 4 to 5 verbal ability questions to be attempted well again. And that makes 95 percentile for your CAT exam. And that is more than enough. Now the final winning tip. Number 1, read diverse topics, philosophy, history, science, economics. Second, RC passages are not about knowledge. They're about logical interpretation. Third one is, do not panic if one passage seems alien. Skip to the next. Fourth one, practice summarizing. It sharpens both verbal ability and reading comprehension skills. Now the golden mindset is, in VARC, calm reading is far important and better than frantic guessing. It's not about solving all 24, it's about solving just 15 to 16 questions accurately and you're good to go. That's all. That's what is enough to clear the examination. All the best.